Guys, the announcement of Al Azhar University have been released.
Really? It seems like a moment. We also will choose our university and major. By the way, guys, if either of you have choose a university or major,
Yes, I'm going to enroll in Al Azhar University.
what major?
Arabic language. So I will prepare it from now. How about you, Mutia?
Me too. I'm going to enroll in Oxford University, especially in law major, because I'm going to become a lawyer.
Wow, that's a good plan.
Thank you. And what about you, Shakila?
I'm still confused. I don't know. I should take a major that I like or a major that suited my basic now.
What about major that you like?
Actually, I would like to take design visual communication because I like drawing.
Yes, you should take it.
How about major that suits your basic? It will be pleasure for you.
Yes, it will be easier if you have basic in that major.
Actually, my mom had proposed me to, but I feel I didn't really dominate in that major too.
Should I help you to study?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I can help you to study till the time you will choose our major.
Thank you so much, Allah.
Yes.